This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is creating a table of contents. Before creating an automatic table of contents, you must add heading styles to the document. There are two ways to insert headings. First, on the Home tab, in the Style section, select the Style Heading 1. Input the title of heading and click Enter on the keyboard. To insert subheadings, place the cursor in the desired place and select the Style Heading 2. Type the name of the heading and press Enter on the keyboard. The alternate way to manage headings and subheadings is through the navigation pane once the first heading has been added. Click the View tab. In the Show section, click the checkbox for the navigation pane. In the navigation pane, right-click on the heading and select either New Heading Before, New Heading After, or New Subheading. In this instance, select New Heading After. Notice the heading is added to the navigation pane. Type the name of the new heading, click Enter on the keyboard, and add the desired content. To create a table of contents once the document is complete, place the cursor at the top of the document. Select the Reference tab and click the Table of Contents. Select the style of table and contents you desire. To separate the table of contents from the rest of the document, select Insert tab and click Page Break. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.